coming up really fast. It's like less than a month left. If you don't know what Pohila Boishakh is, it is Bengali New Year celebrated by Bengalis all around the world, like Bangladesh and some parts of India as well. So I'm getting very excited about Pohila Boishakh this year, so I wanted to create a look for you guys. Us Bengalis during Pohila Boishakh love wearing red and white colors. That's like the color theme for Noboborsho, which is New Year, and I absolutely like this color combination. Some gold, some red. Red tip is like must. We Bengalis love our kajol, which is the black pencil eyeliner we basically use. So I went kind of heavy-handed on that today. So that's what today's video is going to be about. A Noboborsho, a Pohila Boishakh, a Bengali New Year makeup look. Very traditional, red, white, gold. That's what we're going for. Even if you don't celebrate Pohila Boishakh or New Year and you're a Bollywood fan, you can go for this look as well. And if you don't want to go for the Bollywood look or the Bengali look altogether, then you can just skip the tip and you can skip all those accessories and you can still wear the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching.
First, I'm taking this orange shade from my Morphe 35M palette and using a large Morphe blending brush, I'm blending this color all over my crease. I'm going to blow out this color since I want this color to show up very blended and have a smooth transition. Next, I'm taking the color Sweet as Honey from my Milani Bold Obsessions palette and I'm using the same brush to kind of go over the color. I'm applying it the same motion, just deepening the color a little bit and giving it a more blended out look. Now from my Milani Most Loved Mattes palette, I'm taking the color Hiking in Sedona and with a smaller brush, I'm applying it on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes and kind of creating a halo effect. I'm deepening the color in the lower crease a little bit more. I'm trying to create a sunset effect, so I'm going from like the lightest to darkest color. Now I'm just going back to my Morphe brush to clean up the edges a little bit. Next, I'm taking the color Red Ochre from my Modern Renaissance palette and applying it all over my eyelid using a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going back to the Bold Obsessions palette and taking this color Red Between Lines and I'm applying it over the red ochre color I applied earlier. This is a beautiful dual chrome color. It has a pink shimmery undertone to it, which is beautiful. Now from the Most Loved Mattes palette, I'm taking the color Don't Raise in Your Voice and applying it in the inner and outer corner of my eyes to deepen the inner and the outer corner. This will give a more dramatic effect to the eye look. Now I'm just taking a clean angled eyeshadow brush to blend out the edges. For my eyeliner, I'm taking my all-time favorite L'Oreal Infallible, the Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just doing a typical wing that I usually do. Now for my mascara, I'm taking Essence Lash Princess Mascara and I'm applying a few coats on the top and bottom lashes. Now for my face, I'm taking Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to prime my face. For my foundation, I'm taking Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and I'm mixing two different colors because my outer edge of my face is a little darker than the center of my face. So I'm going with the color Desert Beige for the outer perimeter and for the center of my face, I'm applying the color Bronze Beige. And then I'm just going in with a beauty blender to blend out the foundation, just the usual stuff, nothing special here. To set my foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Powder in color medium and applying it with a beauty blender. Now I'm taking this color Catch a Tan from the Most Loved Mattes palette and applying it on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the color Primavera from my Modern Renaissance palette for the inner corner highlight. I'm also using this color for my brow bone highlight. Now I'm going back to all the other colors I applied earlier and just deepening my lid colors a little bit more. I'm taking a black pencil eyeliner to apply on my waterline and tightline. For my blush and bronzer, I'm taking this Naked Flushed palette. I'm using the bronzer to lightly contour my face. For my highlighter, I'm taking Becca Opal highlighter and applying it with the highlighter brush on the high points of my cheek, nose, forehead, and lips. To line my lips, I'm taking Essence Lip Liner in Red Blush, and I'm just following my natural lines of my lips. I'm also using the lip liner to fill in my lips. Then I'm taking ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in color Avenue and filling in my lips with this color. I wanted my lip color to be a little bit brighter, so I'm taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in color Amsterdam and I'm applying it over the Avenue color.
After the makeup, I just went ahead and added a red tip, some jewelry. You can decide whatever kind of jewelry you want to wear. I just wore a dramatic, really bold jewelry. I was kind of feeling like a glam look today, so I went for that. But you can pick whatever sari and jewelry you want to wear. This is a very versatile look. You can pair this with any color sari you want, basically. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what are your plans for Poila Boishakh or Bengali New Year this year. And if you are not celebrating New Year, no worries. Let me know in the comments below what did you think about the look in general, or just say hi to me. I would love to chat with you guys. And make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I will leave all those links down in the description box below. My toddler is running around, so if you hear like some footsteps, that's what's going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!